In today's class, you will do a new reading. So I want to introduce you to our new topic for the next couple weeks and also give you some useful vocabulary for understanding the reading and the topic a little bit better. So we have a new reading and writing topic. You'll remember that our old topic from the last few weeks was really about being a student. We talked about being a traditional or a non-traditional student, and you interviewed your classmates about what kind of student they are. Then you wrote a paragraph about your partner. So that was our old topic, and our new topic beginning today is about personal characteristics. Personal characteristics. So that can really mean two different things. When I say personal characteristics, I might be talking about the way someone looks. Another way to say that is their appearance. Appearance. So looks or appearance, that's one part of personal characteristics. But we're also going to look at another type of personal characteristic, which is personality. Personality, or we could say personality traits. These are characteristics about the inside. So appearance is on the outside, and the inside is your personality traits or your character. So just to give you some examples, when we're talking about looks, you might talk about hair color. You might talk about height, how tall someone is, right? You might talk about their face shape or things about their face, what they look like. Some examples of personality traits or character traits could be something like, I don't know, intelligence, right? It could be if they're shy or outgoing. Those could be personality traits, opposites, right? Shy and outgoing. Another personality trait could be something like hardworking. All right, so those are some examples to get us started. Our language focus up until now has focused a lot on complete sentences and really looking at nouns and verbs. But now we are going to move to a new focus, which is describing people. So this will be more adjectives and describing words. So if we look at these two people, we can describe them. We can describe their appearance, like we mentioned before. What could we say about these ladies? We could say they are young. We could say they have dark hair. We could say they have nice smiles. So that's describing their appearance. We could also describe their personality. We don't really know anything about them, but we can imagine, and we can use this picture for some ideas. They look friendly. They look happy. They look kind. And maybe you also notice that these two ladies look very similar. So when people look very much the same, you can describe them as similar. In fact, they're not just similar, They are identical. So two sisters might look similar, but these are more than sisters. They are identical twins. So when we say identical, we mean exactly the same. Identical twins look exactly the same. In fact, they have the same genetics or the same genes. So genes are the characteristics passed down in families from parent to child, right? So you and your brothers and sisters have similar genes, but identical twins will have exactly the same genes. So before we get started on the article, which is about identical twins, I have two questions for you to start thinking about. The first one is how alike. Alike means similar. How similar, how alike are identical twins? We know that they look alike, but what about their personality? Is that alike or similar too? And then number two, our question is, why do scientists like to study identical twins? Why do scientists like to study identical twins? What makes them interesting for science? So take a moment to think about these questions and put some ideas of your answers on the corkboard. You don't have to know any answers. Right now, we're just guessing, just supposing. You will learn more information in the article.